Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to import an existing wallet on SafePal using your recovery phrase. First, open the SafePal app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap on Add Existing Wallet. Now you'll be asked to create a password. Enter your password and then enter it again to confirm. After that, you'll see the Import Wallet option. Tap on it. Now enter your recovery phrase carefully in the required fields. Make sure you enter the correct recovery phrase and follow the instructions shown in the app. Once the process is complete, your existing wallet should be imported into SafePal. Important: never share your recovery phrase or private key with anyone. Only enter it in the official wallet app and keep it completely private. That's it. These are the simple steps to import an existing wallet on SafePal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more app tutorials and tech guides.